Hey children, here are the health issues almost everyone has and the fixes that actually work. Number 7. Bloating. You eat a normal meal and suddenly your stomach looks 6 months pregnant. Most bloating comes from eating too fast and swallowing air with your food. Your gut bacteria also produce gas when they break down certain foods like beans, onions, and fizzy drinks. The fix is simple. Eat slower, cut the fizzy drinks, and take a 10-minute walk after meals. Walking physically moves gas through your digestive system faster. You don't need expensive supplements. You need to slow down and move. Number 6. Bad breath. You brush your teeth and it still comes back by afternoon. That's because most bad breath doesn't start on your teeth. It starts on your tongue. Bacteria sit on the back of your tongue all day breaking down food particles and releasing a smell. Start brushing your tongue every single time you brush your teeth. Also drink more water. A dry mouth makes bad breath dramatically worse because saliva is your mouth's natural cleaning system. Number 5. Back pain. Most back pain is not an injury. It is a posture and muscle problem. Sitting for hours shortens your hip flexors and weakens your lower back muscles. Your spine then has to work harder to hold you upright and eventually starts complaining. The fix is to stand up every 45 minutes, stretch your hip flexors daily, and strengthen your core. Your back hurts because the muscles around it stopped doing their job. Give them work to do again. Number 4. Headaches. Before you take a painkiller, check 3 things: water, posture, and screen time. Most daily headaches are caused by mild dehydration, tension in the neck and shoulders from bad posture, or eye strain from staring at screens too long. Drink a full glass of water, roll your shoulders back, and look away from your screen for 5 minutes. A significant number of headaches disappear completely before the painkiller even kicks in. Number 3. Always tired. You sleep enough but still feel exhausted. The problem is usually sleep quality, not sleep quantity. Screens before bed suppress melatonin and stop your brain from fully switching off. You spend hours in bed, but never reach the deep sleep your body actually needs to recover. Put your phone down 30 minutes before bed. Keep your room cool and dark. Your body knows how to sleep properly. You just keep interrupting it. Number 2. Eye bags. Puffy eyes in the morning are almost always caused by fluid pooling under your eyes overnight. This happens more when you eat salty food at night, sleep on your stomach, or don't drink enough water during the day. Sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated. Cut the late-night salty snacks. Cold water on your face in the morning helps drain that fluid fast. Most eye bags are a lifestyle problem wearing a skincare mask. Number 1. Dandruff. Dandruff is not caused by a dry scalp. That is the most common myth about it. It is actually caused by a naturally occurring fungus on your scalp that grows too fast in some people. Washing your hair less often actually makes it worse, not better. Use an antifungal shampoo with zinc pyrithione or ketoconazole twice a week. Leave it on for 2 minutes before rinsing. Most dandruff clears up within 2 weeks once you treat the actual cause instead of the symptom. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. See you.